Hi everyone, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. Today is day 6 in the summer challenge, and today our challenge is going to be to use pieces of ephemera from mailers that we get in the mail. So what I use for this layout is these Lego pieces came from a mailer that I got, or my kids got. My kids are really into Legos, so I try to save these quite often and use them in scrapbooking. They're just little mailer things from the VIP program. And so I try to save all these little, and fussy cut them out as much as I can because we have a lot of photos of Legos. So that's what I did for this one. I didn't glue that piece down. This is, all I did was I used black ink from a little black stamp pad and colored these wood veneer pieces in. And these are some felt letter stickers that I had. As you can see, I haven't stuck all this down yet. But that's basically what we did. I only had a couple photos from this particular trip to Legoland, and so I wanted to elaborate on that as much as possible with these big pieces of ephemera that helped with the couple photos that I took. Plus I had a little scrap of Lego paper left from, I believe it's the Adventure Imagination Adventures collection is what I'm guessing it is. Let me see. I'm not quite sure. But, oh, here it is. Photo Play. It came from this collection. My Imagination collection. Photo Play. Yeah. Is where the Lego paper came from. And it was a kit. So, but this is a challenge for day 6. Use some ephemera from a mailer that you have received, be it junk mail or maybe something that is pertinent to whatever you're scrapbooking. So, I thank you all for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow with challenge number 7 for the summer challenge. Bye.